Why I focus on women? Because women make better household decisions than men, quite frankly. They allocate income differently. They spend more money on nutrition, education outcomes, and so we believe that if we focus more closely on women, we're gonna help lift the poor out of poverty bigger, stronger, and faster. We don't feel like the 2 billion people who are currently unbanked can be banked if the solution is not digital. We believe firmly that the solution is digital.
I think one of the challenges we're seeing worldwide is that on average, women's access and usage of digital financial services is lower than men's. And even in countries like Bangladesh, where women have been traditionally served by microfinance and 90% plus borrowers are women, when you transition that to the digital financial services landscape, you see that there hasn't been the same amount of traction for women.
Creating something that's reliable has been a real challenge. I mean, and we're still just at the phase of getting people phones. We're starting to see that the women who have phones and can call even the people in the city, they get better access to prices, for example. And then, if they're eventually on mobile money, they're able to sort of be linking maybe price information with transfers they're making or receiving a payment for agricultural services. So I think that empowerment that can come from that has a lot of potential.
The ability to kind of directly access financial service providers through some of the new innovations out there in real-time customer interactions and instant verification platforms for KYC purposes, where the information directly goes to the financial service provider, could be really powerful for women.
We were able to identify some of the key factors that are really critical for having a digital financial service that reaches women at scale. And some of them were around eliminating barriers like identification, which many women do not have compared to men. Developing a broader range of uses for digital financial services. P2P, or person-to-person transfers, is the main use case that's being promoted for digital financial services, mainly led by those mobile money offers like M-Pesa. However, when we look at really the types of transactions that women do on a day-to-day basis, the ability to send money or receive money from someone else is relatively low on her list of priorities. There are many other financial transactions that she does every day that could be digitized and would provide more value to her. We've also talked about the need to cut both the physical distance to being able to access that service, as well as the emotional distance, and understand what it means to speak to her and to use language that really allows her to see that this is a product for her.